Hey everyone, Trenton with Unbound Adventures here. Today I want to show you how you can swap the battery in a 2006 SLK280. So let's get into it. We'll pop the hood. We're going to come over here. So what you're going to be looking for is here. So what you're looking for is the intake, and you got to get that removed. So literally there are 3 of these little knobs. All you have to do, turn them 90 degrees. I've already done it with the ones in the back. When you do that, this will pop up and you can set that out of the way. So you can take off the negative, obviously the positive, and this is also the battery bar. So tools that we're going to use on this one basically is going to be a 10mm deep socket drive. You can also use a 10mm wrench. I'm using the deep socket due to the fact that this post comes up and a shallow well socket will not fit in here. So that is the reason for using the deep well socket. So let me get this set up. We'll get this battery out. Here's the battery replacement. This is the H6 AGM. This is from Advanced Auto. Usually you can go to their website, and a lot of times you can sign up for their email and they'll give you like a 25% off. Alright. Oh, we got to tell you, safety first. So now we'll grab the key, double check that everything works. Yeah, so now that's obviously functioning. Very simple. Wrap this baby back up. Move your stuff out of the way. Set this back down in here. There's no really trick to these. Just basically getting the hole lined up. And then once that's done, then you can just push it down and then you turn it back. So it's like this, and then it's all secure. That's it. Appreciate it, everyone. Thanks for checking in with me. Come back, like this video, subscribe, do your thing. Appreciate it. Any comments, leave them below. I'll definitely get back to you. Till then, see you next time.